Hey guys, it's Caleb sitting inside of the Buick Envista Preferred. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your steering wheel. So it's going to hop right in.
Back my seat up a little bit, and it's a little fuzzy just from it being dark out and the camera trying to adjust. But you'll get a flat bottom steering wheel, which I really like. Nice for handling. But we're going to go ahead and start from the left, move to the right. But to start behind the steering wheel a little bit. Now you have your manual telescopic steering wheel, so you pull that back. And you pull the steering wheel or push it to wherever you want it. And then you're going to pull it back up and snap that into place. Now for the next one, you have two buttons here. Get that to focus a little bit. Get that light out of the way. I'm trying to get the light out of the way. There we go. So you can see there you have the top and the bottom one. That's to change through your different audio stations, which I made another video on. You have your stock for your lights and your blinkers right there. Now you have your heated steering wheel, which is nice and convenient. Gap adjust, where you can change through 3 different car links. And then your cruise control, which you're able to turn on, as you can see there, and turn off. Now this will cancel it, this disables it, and then you can go ahead and continue up the speed limit, and then you can set by pulling down to the minus, or you can pull back a few miles an hour. You have your horn. You can hang up. You can use your in-vehicle assistant, which in the Envista, it would be based off your phone. So like if I click here, it'll show you to connect your phone and automatically get you to there. Now you have your music, which you can filter through using this kind of a D-pad, but this scroll wheel allows you to scroll through it, and you push it in to click your station. Now you have, so you can answer your phone calls. And then on right here, we have for our windshield wipers, and then you pull it in for your spray. There we go. I'm going to turn that off now. And then on the back here, just like the other side, and it's a little bit harder to see, but you'll be able to have 2 buttons back here, and that's to change the volume on your menu for your radio, audio, whatever it might be. And just sprayed the windshield washer fluid. It smells pretty good. On to the next one.
I want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see y'all soon.